What's up, everybody? Nick from Zoo Stock Investing here. I just wanted to hop on a quick video and talk a little bit about the Slack. Little tutorial, just a little walk around, explain some of the channels that we have to offer, and so we got a little laid back video here, but let's hop right into it. Um, so we'll go into day trade alerts right here. This is where I'll be posting. I am Zoo Stock Investing. I also run this group with Rob and Aaron. You'll see in the group they will have admins next to their names. As you can see, Rob has one right here. If you have any questions, reach out to myself or one of them. I will mostly be helping people out in the group. If you have questions or anything like that, never hesitate to ask me anything. Um, but so in day trade alerts, we have these will not be daily alerts. These are just day trade alerts. So I only like to post. I will be running this alert here, or these alerts here. I'm only gonna post plays in here. I think we had 4 alerts this week. All 4 hit. My goal is to be 100% accurate with these alerts for you guys to be able to follow. Sometimes I'll make a play, I might not post it. I really only want to post the ones that I know are going to be very profitable for you guys. But I try to make, I usually make plays every day. Sometimes no play is the best play. So, you'll see in here, these messages like this is fine. Replies are fine. These little messages like this are all fine. But to avoid any clutter in here, so nobody loses any plays or any notifications, just try to keep the chatter to a minimum, please. You'll see that when I give out an alert, I will say in. That means I am buying. Right here, you'll see I in Tesla 650 put 312, and when I say out of Tesla 650 put, I'll give you the strike price that I was in and where I sold for. So in means I'm buying and out means I am selling. These alerts are completely optional. You're not required to make them. Totally up to you guys. But these are plays. If I'm posting them, I think they're profitable for everybody. So I'll post them. Not everybody knows a lot about options or likes to trade options, and that's fine. A lot of people are interested in it, so all I do is trade options. I don't really hold shares of anything. There's more money in options, so if you're interested in learning about options more, that's what this group is for. I guess that's what I'm for here. I'm the options guy, if you will. So yeah, that's basically it. So these are day trade alerts. They may not be every day, but if I post something in here, I'm thinking it's gonna make us some money. So let's move on to general. Little lag here. Come on, general. Okay, so in general, this is a very laid back section. This is also a free channel for anybody, as well as profits. You'll see some guys that are going to be talking about some plays, not really. I'll usually talk about pre-market conditions, market conditions in here. There's a pin section too. You see right here. This is like there's not like a gallery that you can just click on. I guess the pin section is the gallery. So I'll usually post some things like some patterns here that you can use as a little cheat sheet when you're trading or looking at a chart or a play. Right here I got a couple videos explaining a little bit of a technical analysis standpoint from a couple plays and alerts that I made to the group. So anybody interested in sharpening up on some technical analysis skills, I definitely got you. I've been doing this for quite a while, and I've learned a lot of things. You learn something new every day. Also, I learn every day. That's the goal. Learn and become better every day. So if you ever see anything in the general chat or any chat that you think can be beneficial to you or your trading experience, or like, oh, like, hey, like, oh, like this right here, like this is helpful, you can pin it. So how you pin things is, let's see if we can go up to go to the link. Actually, let's go to this right here. You can just click on the message. You can go to more actions and loads. You can go to pin to channel. And when you click that, what it'll do is it'll basically put it in the gallery, and you'll have it as easy access from there. So like that makes it pretty simple to access. I like the pinning feature a lot. So if you see anything helpful, pin it, click on the message, more actions, pin it to the channel. You can copy links. I don't think you guys have that option to delete messages. But yeah, so that's that. You can also react to messages like this. You just go to here, click on reaction. Something's going to the moon. Throw it a rocket emoji. Throw it a thumbs up emoji. Throw it a money tongue emoji, 100 emoji. That's how you can react to messages. You can also reply to messages right here. You can so if you wanted, if there's a lot of action going on in the group on one day, and you just want to talk to somebody who posted something, like if I wanted to talk to one in the pink, two in the stonk here, I would just go to like reply in thread and be like, say something like, I'm gonna load here, probably because I'm screen recording, it's lagging a little bit, like, hey, where did you find this due diligence? And then you can send. I'm not going to send that because just an example. But I hope that makes sense there. Just trying to give a little walk around the park here in Slack, with like things you can do in the group. But yeah, the general chat. This is just it's free to everybody. You're not really gonna see. You're gonna get a taste of like the premium channels, but this is basically just where I talk about market condition. Like you'll see people maybe post some like funny memes. It's very laid back. You can talk about whatever you want in here, but you won't really. You'll see some guys post some updates on positions, but other than that, you won't get everything. You just kind of get a little bit of a taste to it. So moving on to market strategy. So we have, come on, baby, load. Market strategy. This is one of my favorite channels because, sorry, this is just very my computer's very slow, I guess, today. But this is one of my favorite channels because this is almost like the general channel, except it's not free. This is one of the premium channels strictly because this is where you're gonna see strictly money talk. This is strictly business in here. This is market strategy. There's nobody who runs this account or this channel. I post a lot in here. I like to post a lot of stocks that as well. While I don't hold shares, like these are good companies these are good positions to swing. You get Nano Dimensions 935 there, 1102 the next day. Boom. News articles, something that may affect a stock's price action. You can come in here, you can bounce ideas off everybody. If you're thinking about a position, toss it in the market strategy, and if somebody sees something that they like, they'll be like, oh, okay, then you'll start bouncing ideas off one another, and you can find some plays that'll make you guys some money. That's why I love this chat. These are going to be stocks and positions that anybody's looking at. You don't always have to make the plays that like we post in any of the alerts. But that's why I like the market strategy chat too, though, because like everybody can just bounce ideas off everybody. So I like it. I like the stock. I like the channel. Um, Meme stocks. Look, I'll be honest, I'm not too crazy on meme stocks. I personally don't touch them because I'm just a limit risk as much as possible type of person. And they are very risky in my opinion. But I know a lot of people have made some good money off meme stocks. And since meme stocks are a big part of our generation, I'm 23, but I know a lot of the people in this group are young and hungry investors like myself. They are picking up steam in the market, and they are seeing some crazy price movements. So, like, if people, and some funny memes in here too. Um, but yeah, meme stocks. If that's your cup of tea, if something's popping in Wall Street bets or whatever, you throw it in here and maybe make some money on that. If that's your style of play. Like, I know a lot of people strictly like to trade the meme stocks just for the hype. That's always good for some quick profit. Um, like I said though, not for me, but yeah, that's funny. Definitely gonna be a funny channel. Um, Portfolio challenges. This is one of my other favorites next to market strategy. There's not much in here yet, but what this channel is going to be for anybody in the group who obviously is a premium member, um, who wants to, let's say they want to start $100 to $1,000 challenge, or 1,000 to 10K challenge. Um, you can post about it in here, and maybe you'll get somebody to um, tail you in your challenge. And if you come in here and you're like, hey, like I want to do $100 to $1,000 challenge, anybody else interested, if you can get a couple more guys to join you, like it might make it a little bit more motivational for you to complete, and for you to maybe might put in a little bit of a competitive edge. But one of the main reasons I like portfolio challenges is it disciplines you to learn how to take profits. It disciplines you and it helps you learn how to make smarter plays, smarter trades. Um, People who want to become a very disciplined and consistent investor, I think this is a very great way to begin that journey. It definitely helped me. I did a few $100 to 1,000 challenges, um, and I benefited from almost all of them. They're very helpful, and they're very useful. So I like that channel a lot. I can't wait to get that cooking um, as more people join. Profits. This is free to anybody. You can just see all the profit. Anybody can post in this too, but you'll see a lot of people just posting their profits or updates on positions. Um, you know, you'll just see profits. This is just these are from alerts that I alerted earlier this week. See, we had a big day there. Some good days, some good alerts. Um, you know, so yeah, that's basically that. Just profits, just tendies, strictly tendies in there. Spread alerts. This channel's coming soon. I don't typically dabble with spreads. I know a lot of people do. I know it's a very safe way if you understand spreads, um, to play option spreads. Um, I know that once we have our guy come in and do these spreads, he's very profitable with spreads. Once he comes in, he's gonna be doing spread alerts. So I think that can be fun. I'm very interested in spreads. I've never taken the time to um, really learn all I can about spreads, but I know there's people out there who love spreads and make a lot of money off spreads. So if you're interested in spreads, hang in there, because we definitely have some alerts coming for you. Um, Also, with the alerts chat, I think I mentioned it before in day trade alerts, but like keep the chatter to a minimum in there because like we don't want to clutter it too much. So like if you're hopping in something, just just react to it or something like that. Just makes it easier for everybody and the people um, who are admins and who are um, allowed to make the alerts. Not everybody it is making alerts in here. Okay, let's get that just straight. People who are making alerts are profitable traders and are experienced, not professionals, but um, these alerts are just strictly if you want to follow some trades, you have the option to. Streak for the cash. This is going to be a very fun channel because I know there's a bunch of degenerates out there. Um, so basically, what Streak for the cash is every day. I believe this is starting next week. Every day there's going to be a choice between 2 or 3 stocks that that will provide and that you'll get to choose from on which is going to perform the best that day. And if basically you choose the right stock that performs the best that day, if you get enough of those right, like let's say you get 10, probably get a free T-shirt. Once we make some zoo merch, we're gonna make some zoo stock merch for the animals. You get 20, you'll get a computer or a fucking monitor. 30, I believe, is 1,000 cash. So there's going to be prizes. So this is going to be a very fun channel for premium members. I can't wait for it to kick off because like I'll have to talk to the admin that's doing this group. It's going to be Aaron. I don't know if I can participate in it, but if I can, I'm definitely going to be trying to take that 1K, kid. You talking about give me another monitor. Shit, I'll try to pick some stocks. That shit's easy. So that's gonna be fun. Yeah, I can't wait for that. I hope that little description there made sense. But swing trade alerts. So this is the last one here. Very soon there's going to be an admin that is a very profitable trader coming into the group that is very good at swing trading. And I can't wait for that because swing trading is not my cup of tea, like I said before. But I definitely want some longer holds while I day trade. So 99% of the time I'm day trading options. I'm making my money and I'm taking it. I don't fuck with risk. All right, I don't do that. I hate days where I'm looking at red, then I'm looking at green, then I'm looking at red, then I'm looking at green. I like looking at green every day as many times as I can, and I'm not we're not gonna win every single trade. That's impossible, but that's where cutting losses comes from, and I can easily go down a rabbit hole of all that. But we're just talking about Slack today, so yeah, these are gonna be alerts. Like here, we had a grow gen or grow GRWG grow gen play today, I believe. Yeah, today. That hit pretty big, and that's a swing play, so I know some people already took profits on it. That's great. I love to hear it. But that was the first one that got posted there, so that's great. And again, like keep the chatter to a minimum in all these alert channels. If you're not an admin, just don't post in here because that's just going to create clutter for everybody, and we want to keep that to a minimum. Talk in general. So I believe that's it. Like I said, very laid back video, just trying to run through Slack here and help people kind of navigate it because it can be confusing a little bit. Everybody should have like a direct message board on the side here. So like like I said, you got your day trade alerts. I'll be posting in there. I am Zoo Stock Investing. And if you forgot my name, I'm Nick. Nice to meet you. So you got the general laid back chat, talk about whatever you want. That's free to everybody. Market strategy, strictly about money in there. News articles, anything that might, mainly due diligence. You do due diligence on a stock, and you want to share it with the group, don't post it in general. Post it in market strategy, because it can get lost in general, and that's why we got a premium channel for people who are paying, because that's information that's worth something, because you're gonna make money from it. So for premium members only. Sorry. But I love market strategy. Meme stocks, it's all in the name there. Portfolio challenges, gonna love that. Profits, open to anybody. Spread alerts, coming soon. Streak for the cash, can't wait to get that. I hope I can participate, but if not, that's okay. And then so I think I've pretty much covered everything. Anybody who's watching this that's in the group, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Rob or Aaron. You can mainly hit me up. I know those are some busy guys. I mainly gatekeep the group here, but reach out to me if you have any other questions about the Slack. Yeah. Let's see if I can give you any other really quick, mentions and reactions. I don't really use this. It just kind of tells you if you were mentioned, or if what messages have been reacted to the most. So it's kind of like a little organization kind of thing, I guess, but not important. Let's click on more here and see what this is. And just shortcuts. Let's see. I think that's it, guys. I went over how to react to messages, But yeah, okay. Alright. Like I said, the general chat is free, and so is the profits. So you can also add people. You can't add people to the premium channels. If you're already a member, you can't do that. Only I can. But if you're in the general, or you're in the profits, and you want to add some of your boys or some of your gals, you can do that. Because even though this is the general channel, you're not getting the whole premium experience, or you're thinking about joining the premium channel soon. I know we got a lot of guys in here that are thinking about joining pretty soon. A lot of people are hesitant, and that's okay. That's expected, because monthly payment, it's a hassle. I get it. But when you start seeing the knowledge that you're going to be exposed to, and the alerts that you have the option of the following, it's very profitable. Excuse my nicotine addiction here really quick. Helps keep me calm during the trading session. But yeah, so I think that's it. Like I said, I feel like I might be rambling here. So any other questions, reach out to me under Zoo Stock Investing. Again, my name's Nick, and can't wait to eat these tendies with you guys. All right.